Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
The people of Obiodeh'S Igbide community in Isoko South local government area of Delta State were in jubilation last week following the announcement of one of their sons, Chief Emamusi Obiodeh, as a commissioner designate by the governor of Delta State, Right Honorable Sheriff Oborewori. The people who trooped out to celebrate defied rainfall and paraded the streets of the community, singing, dancing, and chanting prayers for Governor Oborewori. The people's reaction stems from the fact that Obiodeh'S Igbide, though an oil-producing community, it has largely been cut off from mainstream governance in almost 50 years, and this has left the community without any visible development and presence of either the federal or state government. They thank the governor for rekindling their hope and correcting for them what was an obvious case of marginalization.
Every person is happy, so we are celebrating, and we thank His Excellency Right Honorable Sheriff Oborewori for giving us this privilege, for appointing our son as a commissioner. It's something we have been yearning for years. We have never had this opportunity long ago, 40 years back. We are happy that the government is listening.
Chief Emamusi Obiodeh, a grassroots politician and businessman, was a three-term councillor and former leader of the Isoko South local government legislative arm, as well as former special assistant on political matters to the immediate past governor of Delta State.
Inside the Niger Delta,